So guys, I'll show you guys how to package your shoe. Like if you're sending your shoe to a long distance, you need to package it well, that in case there happens to be load on top of your shoe, or maybe by handling of your shoe, as a way to preserve your shoe from losing shape. So this video will teach you that. Please like this video, subscribe and learn. I'll be using this foamy material. This foamy material looks foamy, you know. You can get this from the industry, people that package things, you know. Just find out how to get this foamy stuff, or you can buy it from the markets. So if you have a pair of shoes you want to send to a long distance, all you have to do is just to get this. You can see this, the cuts. I'm using size 43. This shoe is size 43, so divide it into 2 teeth. Use the knife to divide. So you can see you have 2 pieces. So you have to fold. Just fold this. You keep inside. Make sure it reaches to the front. Then the second one that will keep this place firm together. Push it under a little bit. Under of the first one, you can see how it's slapping. So this place, even they put kaya, it will not, you know, affect the shoe that much. But you understand? The inside. Alright, so this will keep your shoe in shape for over a long period of time. Then you package. Package. Have one here. We have the same thing here. You can see this is the same thing. Alright, so it's the same thing you do. Just fold, take it inside, put it inside. Make sure you reach to the front. Make sure you reach to the front. And put this one. Keep this side. Alright. So all of this is the same thing. Package. This is ABcshoes offline. On YouTube we are ABcshoes, but our market or business name is ABcshoes. Alright, so now these shoes are ready for see. So if you put this shoe in the car, that's tendency of the shoe losing shape will not be. Like, follow, or subscribe. Okay, ABcshoes to the world. Dr. Tabat, this is yours.